Hi everyone, Sarika here. Welcome to my channel again. So this time we tried something different. Actually, there was a leftover cabbage sabji which was made in the morning, and evening we were thinking what should we do with that because there was nothing left out with that sabji. So my husband gave me this idea to prepare quesadilla out of it, and also he did help me with the preparation. So it's good to have someone who can help us on cooking, right? Okay, so this recipe is so simple, so tasty. I can assure you, you will not regret making it. So do try this. This can be eaten as a snack item or you can have it for your dinner. So let's see how the preparation is done.
So here I have already prepared a dough to make tortilla. For the dough I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour and a pinch of salt. I have mixed it with water to make a dough. Please make sure it should neither be very hard nor very soft. Here I have already made 2 tortillas of the same size. If you are not that good in rolling rotis, just take any round shaped bowl and place it over the rolled tortilla and press it hard. Now remove the sides and you will be left with the round shaped tortillas. So this method will work out for you if you are not that good in making shapes. Now let's start with cooking tortilla. Place the tortilla on the hot pan or tawa. Make sure one side of the tortilla should be completely cooked and other side should be half cooked. This is because when we spread our filling over tortilla, the half-cooked side of the tortilla will be on the pan and we have to make sure tortilla does not get burnt. Now switch on the flame. As the pan is already hot, we have to put some butter on the pan and place our tortilla. As I have mentioned previously, half-cooked side of the tortilla will be on the pan this time. Here we have spread some cheese over tortilla. We have taken mix of cheddar cheese and processed cheese here. You can add any cheese of your choice. Mozzarella cheese will also work good, I believe. On top of the cheese, we have now spread cabbage sabji. It's a kind of mixed vegetable which has carrot, cabbage, potato, peas. And after which again we have put some more cheese over it and sprinkled a little bit of oregano. So once done, we have now placed the second tortilla over this. Now switch on the flame and apply some butter on top of the tortilla and let it cook for 2 minutes on low to medium flame. Keep checking the bottom side so that it doesn't get burnt, and also it should become little crispy. Once the below tortilla becomes golden brown, flip the tortilla and let it cook for a few more minutes. Both the sides should become golden brown in color. Also at this time, you will observe that the inside cheese have started to melt, which means it is ready and nicely cooked from inside as well. Once it is completely cooked and it's looking crispy, move this quesadilla to serving plate. Let it cool down for 2 to 3 minutes and cut it into pieces. Now serve it when it is still hot. It tastes really yummy when it is hot. So as you can see, this has become really crispy and cheesy. So here is our quesadilla in Indian style.
So hope you liked the video today. Just wanted to mention that as this preparation was done with the leftover sabji, I do not have the video for preparation of the sabji. So I have just mentioned the recipe for this sabji on the description box. But if you want the video for it, please do let me know in the comment section, and I will have the video uploaded for the same. So hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, please do try and let me know your experience in the comment section, and please do share it with others who requires. So see you in my next video. Until then, please take care of yourself and family, and see you. Bye bye.